guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be seeing how to make DIY glitter bowl. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that every video I post will come to you as soon as I post it. And don't forget to check out our channel on Instagram. Now let's get into it. So the things required are a balloon, a container to mix the glue solution, a brush, newspapers torn to pieces, glitter, Fevicol and some water. So first, let's blow the balloon. Now, let's tie the knot. Now, I have put the knot. We need to mark a circle around the balloon at the 3/4 level. See, now we have marked the circle. See guys, we have finished marking the circle around the balloon. Now let's paste the newspapers around it. To stick the newspapers, add little water to the glue because the glue is thick. When you add little water, it will be easy for us to spread. This method consumes less glue. Let's mix it. Let's apply the glue and stick the newspapers. I have done one layer. You need to leave it to dry and apply 2 more layers, which is totally 3 layers. To show you guys, I have previously done and kept it. This is the piece I have done before. Now let's apply the glitter. we have covered the balloon with glitter. Now let's leave it to dry. After it has dried, we need to pop the balloon and take it out. After it has dried, it will look like this. Now let's place these flowers in the bowl and let's see how it's gonna look. Wow! It looks so good, guys! Now let's place that too. They both look so pretty, guys. Look how they look. I hope this video inspired you to make these beautiful glitter balls and decorate your room. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and press the bell icon so that every video I post will come to you as soon as I post it. And see you in the next video. Bye!